Good morning. I finally got my new microphone in the mail. Yay for that. Only took me like 3 months to order one. Today I'm kind of just hanging out, honestly. I was on my way out to Baltimore to shop for my giveaways on Whatnot. By the way, if you are not on Whatnot, there is a link in the description of all my videos where if you sign up, you get a $15 free credit and you get to enter those giveaways. Side note. So I was almost there. It's a pretty far drive. It's like an hour and 15 minutes. And I just remembered that a couple of my friends at Old Glory and Frederick asked me if I'd ever been to Antique Depot in Ellicott City. And the answer was no. I think I might have been here as a small child, but let's go in and see what they got. Oh wow, not what I was expecting at all. This place is way bigger. How cool. I don't usually come out this way. This thing's hilarious. Wow. Little Tenala. $7. All right, so I'm totally shocked. Apparently this place is 4 floors. I'm looking at the Bakelite. I think that yellow necklace that might be Bakelite too. Yeah, I was just kind of expecting a little quick pit stop. 34. I have no idea what to expect from the prices because we are in Maryland, where I find the prices are a little bit higher. We're also in a kind of touristy town, but so far I've liked what I've seen. Look at this little, is this a, no, I thought that was a bank. That's an old toy. Well, it's not that old, but how cool. 50% off everything over $3. What's this? It got me. I saw a shiny cat. And what do we have going on here? Oh, it's an oil and vinegar set. Doesn't ever do that well for me. Yeah, this place just keeps going and going. I feel like I could get lost in here. What are these? Are these chalk? Oh, how cool. Look at these chocolate doves. I thought that was a sale sign. I like what I'm seeing. 13 for the pair. Those are really neat. Right? Is it 13 for the pair? Yeah, pair. They're in really good condition. Kind of like peace doves. And I also noticed this owl. He's cool. Mexico, 16. He's signed too. A little sign of kitschiness. Oh my gosh, how funny. This mid-century cork desktop. I love the photo in that. That's hilarious. I also really like this strawberry tray. Hello. Look at this guy. He's cute. Poodles. I have so many white poodles for the poodle sale. Whoa, Mary Mushroom bread box. I'm looking for like different ones. That's fun, even though it's a hobbyist piece. I love those. And the salt and pepper. What's this? I always look for smiley stuff for... Oh, I was going to say I look for smiley stuff for Yvonne, but what is this? How much are you? Be kind to me, because I need poodle stuff. 25 firm. Dang, that doesn't leave enough room for me. But that's the right track at least. And then also check out this cool macrame owl. I'm kind of curious what's down in the basement next. Watch my step here. I see a lot of Gustav Klimt prints. Picasso. Love modern art. Cat tin. I already see a jacket that looks interesting to me. I think it's for kids. Last thing I need is another jacket. I have like a huge jacket problem. Oh, it's just like a random raccoon tail. I don't know about all that. Sweet lamps. Good grief, this is crazy. Every time I turn around, there's like 5 different options of which way to go. There's so much more going on in here than I had anticipated. I know I said that, but I'm like genuinely surprised. At least now I know. Whoa, what's happening here? Crazy doll head. That's got some serious age to it too. $12. Oh, well, that's fantastic. Super weird. You know what? I think I'm gonna grab this. Now, this little purse also caught my eye. Interesting. That's $12 too. Not like completely obsessed with it. Let's smell test it. It's got a little residual odor. I think I'm gonna let that one go. Wait, the hand. Just rubber hand. I thought it might have been composition at first. That's kind of funny. I love these shoes. These were like the only shoes I would wear as a kid. That and green glitter jellies. Toys. Oh, this is a cool first aid. Boy Scouts. Boy Scout stuff is usually spendy. 15 seems really reasonable. Okay, hold on. Put this head down. Oh, I wish she was still there a little bit more. That's amazing. I've never seen that. Wait. Poison. Oh, that is so cool. I tell you what, if that was a little bit less or it had a little bit more of the decal, I wouldn't hesitate on that. Poison bottles can go for crazy money. They're also super collectible. I also like the juxtaposition going on there. Now I was paying close attention to the plush up here. Of course, Yogi stood out to me. He's at $30, which is really fair for a collector, but honestly, that kind doesn't sell for that much. Some of the rubber faces go for crazy, not that one. Wow, I'm really into this happening right now. Look at the duck. Oh, so good. What is this? I feel like that's contemporary. 20% items over $10. Oh, that's so fun. Bangles. Like this teal one. $1. We'll take that. The red one's cool too. That one's $1 only. Wait. What's this one? Don't worry, I'm gonna put them back. $2. It's kind of strange. Is it bendy? It's a little bendy. I'm not sure about that one. I'm gonna put the red one. Oh, the blue ones are cool. Oh, they're metallic-y. 2 bangles, $2. We're gonna take those. And I'm looking for it and it's in my hand, of course. I love the little vanity chair with that mustardy velvet. Lots of uranium glass. Gosh. So all kinds of stuff down here. Look at this little perfume bottle. That's quite sweet. What are these cat tiles? Those are kind of fun. Cocks. Wait a minute. I had some Cox pottery and I sold it before I really had time to research it. Well, I didn't research it. And my phone was blowing up. Peter and Jocelyn were both like, do you know what that is? And it sold for like nothing because I had no idea. I started it super low. Now I know. So I'm gonna look this up right quick. Also, when I say it sold for nothing, it didn't really sell for nothing. I meant it sold for nothing compared to what the comps were. It sold for like $30-something. This is indeed what I thought it was. So for $15, I'm gonna grab that. The last Cox tile sold as a buy it now for good money on the bay. Here's another one. Boom. We'll take both those. Well, I grabbed those. I also found a basket. What's going on down here? That's kind of neat. $6. Little painting. Cute. There was something else over here that grabbed my eye. Oh, it's over there. This is cool. Aubrey Beardsley. I kind of love that picture. I'm not sure if that kind is worth that much. I recognize the name. It's just looks like it came out of a book, perhaps. What is this lemon tile? This is also signed. Now I'm like, let me Google all of this. Yeah, so it looks for $17. That's probably about retail for that age. Wow, they have some awesome pottery here. And I love my children's hankies. That one's at $6, totally fair. Okay, a lot going on here. I'm putting my basket down. I need to walk over and get a better look of this. First of all, that is amazing. I kind of want that. I love the Met poster and whatever this little Red Riding Hood situation is happening. Okay, so this is a pretty terrifying clown, but it's also freaking cool. That's metal too. This is a really pretty color. $12. Tuscany, made in Italy. Interesting. It's a really unique color. Dude, what? How fantastic. 24 firm. Ooh, they have one of the cat lanterns. Oh, wow, look at this. California Pottery Gold Cats at $49. That's fantastic. If it was for myself, I would totally grab that. There's all kinds of weirdos in here. Oh, the big-eyed dogs. That's a larger size one, too. Cool owl. Very eclectic, just the way I like it. Look at this funny guy. I'm really thinking about picking up that. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so fragile, but it's so cool. Blown glass, $6 with the pink polka dots. I think I'm gonna grab that. That's really different. I was thinking about grabbing that Tuscany green satin vase, but after looking at the comps, I just have never really seen one that color. But it had a little bit of wear on the sides. Hello. How cute is this? I've never seen this Soaky bottle. I'm really overwhelmed. I still haven't even picked up the one thing I was really looking at. I was focused on this. That's so cool. And then these bottles are really neat. Little deer, little lucite deer. $6. The plastic Bambi. That's a little close for me. Oh, cool. All right, so I decided, since I haven't really seen this one, you know what though? I think it's a hodgepodge. I don't think that head belongs on it. That's why I haven't seen it before. Duh. The head's not right on that. It's still so cute though. I don't know. I don't really trust it. It looks like it's probably supposed to be Yogi or Smokey, and it's just got like a random head on it. I'm kind of in love with it, but I'm a little uncertain. Where did I find this? Now, I've never been much of a popcorn person. Honestly, a lot of the times I find them and they're either expensive, huge, or broken. This one's at 16. The witch is very cool, and I like the size. I'm kind of into that. I feel like that one could go either way. I might be able to make a couple bucks off of it, but I don't think enough to justify spending $16 on it. I'm gonna rummage through these too while I'm at it. Bangles! Check out this funky orange one. That's 16 though. These are cool. $13.50 for a pair. This is a very promising space. Amongst the Hallmark, hiding in behind. It's probably expensive. This is a rare Christ Santa Claus 35. That's actually really reasonable. I mean, it's a little too close for me as a reseller, but if it was for my own house, I would not think twice of that. Now, I'm just noticing up here, they have another one that stands out to me. Oh, dang, it's super broke. That stinks. I'm so short. The pineapple glasses are fun. Lots of pie rags. I'm trying to sneak past here. Hello, weird Santa. He's probably just for display. I have to find out, though. Now, he was for sale. He was $35, but he had a little bit of damage on the back of him too. This is very cool. Wow, very cool indeed. I don't even want to know because I'm obsessed. And I already see it's got damage on the nose. 45. That is so fantastic, and it's German. Oh, that's so, oh my gosh. Okay, note to self, their glass is not attached. This almost looks like Timmy Woods. What is this? Interesting. I love you. 32. Is that gunned? It is. How fun. That's about what those sell for, though. What is this? Very unique. I like it. I don't know much about that, but I know that it's out of my price range. I'm really confused. Did I already go down here?